In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and print the Gantt in Monday.com. If you've built out a project plan in Monday.com, chances are you'll eventually need to share that Gantt chart with someone who doesn't work inside your board every day. Maybe it's a client, a manager, or a stakeholder who just wants something they can quickly review or print. That's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, make sure you're on the board that contains the project you want to export. At the top of your board, you'll see different views such as Main Table, Kanban, or others you've added. Look for the Gantt View tab. Go ahead and click on Gantt View so that your project timeline opens up across the screen. Give it a second to fully load, especially if your board has a lot of items or dependencies. Once your Gantt chart is visible, shift your attention to the top right corner of that view. Here, you'll either see an export icon, which usually looks like an arrow pointing into a box, or a three-dot menu icon. Depending on your setup or Monday.com's current interface, either one can give you access to exporting options. Click on the export icon, or if you only see the three dots, click on that three-dot menu to reveal additional actions. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Export to PDF. This will generate a visual snapshot of your entire Gantt chart. Monday.com will prepare a PDF file that you can download to your computer. Keep in mind that what you see on the screen is essentially what will be captured in that PDF. Before exporting, there's an important tip that helps control what appears in that final file. On the left-hand side of the Gantt view, you'll see a panel that lists your items or tasks. If you expand this panel, the task names will be included alongside the timeline in the exported PDF. If you collapse it, you'll get a cleaner, timeline-only view without the task list. Adjust this panel based on whether you want a detailed view or a simplified, high-level overview. After the PDF has downloaded, open it from your browser or File Explorer. Once it's open, use your computer's standard print command. On Windows, press Ctrl+P, and on a Mac, press Command+P. From there, select your printer, adjust settings like orientation, color, and page range if needed, then confirm to print. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported and printed your Gantt chart from Monday.com.